Hey buddy! Welcome back to Quiz Universe. Today, we're kicking things off with a super fun challenge. Guess the movie by Emoji. We've lined up 15 puzzles, and you'll have just a few seconds to guess each movie. Get them right, and you rack up some points. Think you've got what it takes? Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the fun. All right, let's do this. First question. Guess the movie by Emoji. Spider-Man. That's how you start with a bang. Next up, The Lion King. Ready for a tough one? It's Inside Out 2. Bonus round, spot the odd emoji out. Got it? Nice job. Your eagle eyes caught it. Can you name this movie? The Little Mermaid. What about this one? It's Shrek. Now we're talking. Time for another. The Addams Family. You nailed it. What's your guess? Frozen, Let It Go, or Don't. Here's a fan favorite. The Super Mario Brothers. Quick question. Would you rather never watch movies again or leave a comment with your all-time favorite movie? We want to know. Drop your answer below. Recognize this one? It's Barbie. You're on fire. Guess the movie by Emoji. Kung Fu Panda. Chopsticks ready? This next one's sneaky. Elemental. Can you tell what this movie is? Madagascar. Move it, move it. Pick one and see what happens. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Share your answers in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to join us for more awesome quizzes. We drop fun challenges like this every week, so stay tuned for the next one. See you soon, and until then, bye-bye.